Hey guys, so now it's our turn to practice. So let me get rid of this. Now, you see that I have created a T-chart. We have fixed expenses, variable expenses, and then I included a little table, okay? It says Mr. Kirby's expenses. So, looking at this, where would we put monthly rent? Would I put it under variable expenses, which means it happens every other month, every 6 months, or would I put it under fixed expenses where it happens every month? You're right, it would go under fixed expenses. So I'm going to type in monthly rent. What about clothing? Where would we put clothing? Where would clothing be? Is that something you need to buy every month? No. So clothing will go under variable expenses. What about restaurant meals? Wanting to go out to eat. Do you have to go out to eat every month? No, you can eat at home. So restaurant, let me make sure I spell it out. Restaurant meals will go under variable expenses. What about your phone bill? Is that something your parents have to pay monthly? Yes, if you don't pay it, it gets disconnected. So phone bill. And I'm going to highlight it real quick because I don't want it unbolded or underlined. Okay? Now, what if I want to go to the circus? Where would the circus go? You're right. The circus will go under variable expenses. Okay? Oops, I misspelled it. Oops. Circus. What about car payment or truck payment? So you're right. Truck. Oopsie. Ooh, my laptop's acting crazy today. Truck payment will go under fixed expenses. Okay? Now, this is our little practice. I'm going to give you an assignment at the... Let me try to fix this before I continue. Okay, so this was our little practice, guys. Now, I am going to add a slide, and it's going to be your quick check. Okay, guys? Good luck. Have fun. Bye.